Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Rio. For today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this product. This is the JK Propolis Honey Ampoule Light Serum. So if you want to hear more about it, please keep on watching. So first, let's talk about NatureSC. NatureSC stands for Nature Standard Care, and they want to provide skincare that is the most ideal care of nature for humans. Their skincare is also backed by science, especially this one. This is the NatureSC Propolis Honey Ampoule Light. Oop, hindi kita. Ayan. Actually, this is also known as JK Propolis just because they're in collaboration with JK Medical Group. JK Medical Group is the same as Bello Medical Group dito sa Philippines. And this claims to be deep moisturizer, whitening, anti-aging, skin soothing, and healing. This one retails for 220 pesos and you can buy them at their Facebook and Instagram handler at NatureSC PH. They also have website, guys, so everything will be linked in the description box. So if you're interested, please do check them out. And just yesterday, they released their products in Beauty MNL. So very accessible din itong product na ito. It comes in a box package. Ganito ang itsura ng box niya. Single siguro siya, kaya may box. Ayan. What's nice about this box is that they have English translation and they also have ingredients list in the back which is also in English. So kung meron kayong allergic reaction sa mga ibang ingredients list na ito, you can check them out so you can be aware of that. Now this one comes in 50 ml of product. Until here yung product niya. This is an amber glass bottle with a black drop. So don't get confused because merong mga serums na ganitong itsura na iba ang kulay ng kanilang dropper. Now for the main ingredients of this product, it has aloe vera, good for moisturizing. Propolis is for skin vitality. Chamomile and royal jelly is for anti-aging, and they also have gold extract which is for prevention of skin allergic reaction. So for the consistency, guys, teka lang, tinatakta ko na siya kasi wala na talaga siyang laman. It is thick but it does absorb fast, but it will not leave you feeling dry. Meron pa rin siyang glow na maibibigay katulad niyan. And your skin will feel bouncy. Now, ang gamit ko nito every morning and evening after kong maghugas at saka mag-tone ng face. In the morning, I will use sunscreen afterwards. Sa gabi naman, rosy pang gamit ko just to lock in all the moisture in my face. After using it every time, it looks very glowy. Bouncy yung itsura ng aking skin and there's no signs of any pimples. Etong pimple na to ay just because it's the time of the month and kumpara sa mga nagiging pimples ko dati, napakaliit na nito. And I also look forward to doing my skincare in the morning and the evening because of this product dahil super glowy and moisturized ng feeling ko and my skin feels bouncy. Hindi ko nakita yung skin ko with other products na ganun ng feeling na nagiging parang hydrated siya. That's the feeling that I get with this product. And guys, I look forward to doing my skincare because of this product dahil super glowy, super bouncy, super moisturized ng feeling ng skin ko. By the way guys, I'm oily combination with Dehydrated. Kaya yung feeling na super bouncy, never ko nakita sa kahit anong serum yun. Dito lang. And look guys, wala akong makeup ngayon. Nag-brush up lang ako ng kilay at lip tint para naman hindi ako mukhang patay sa inyo. And wala akong makeup at all. And dami-dami ng mga pimple marks na nawala o hindi man nawala, hindi na siya itim. Naging pinkish na siya. Palighten na yung kulay niya. And I'm very, very, very happy. I'll be showing you before and after pictures here para makita nyo. Hindi siya drastic, guys. Just because 2 weeks ko pa lang siyang ginagamit. As in, 2 weeks ko pa lang siyang ginagamit and ayan na ang effect ng skin ko. So guys, this is a hoard-worthy product. So, if you're in the Philippines, guys, huwag kayong manghinayang sa 220 kasi ang ganda ng effect niya sa skin. Kung nasa Pilipinas lang ako, as in, marami akong bibili nito kasi gustong-gusto ko yung amoy, gustong-gusto ko yung feeling ng skin ko, and I look very, very, very healthy. Now, let's do a rundown of this product. This is very affordable for 220 pesos. Informations are very, very accessible. Napakadali nyo rin siyang hanapin. Ingredients-wise, makikita nyo kung ano yung mga allergic kayo para makaiwas kayo. And also, this is backed by science. And they claim to provide natural ingredients. So, okay na okay. The only downside is that very small siya for 1 month use just because this will finish for 2 weeks. So, if it was me, siguro at least may 30 ml product for 1 month use. But guys, this is a very hoard-worthy. Hoard nyo na, now na baka magkaunahan pa. As in, ganun siya kaganda sa skin ko. Alam nyo guys, hindi ako ganun ka-confident na ilabas ang natural beauty ko kasi nga ang dami kong pimple marks at ang dami-dami nila na nakakahiyang ilabas ng ganun lang. So, I need to cover up with foundation. But now guys, sa skin ko na meron ngayon, pwedeng-pwede na ako lumabas ng ganito na lip tint lang ang aking suot kasi hindi na siya ganun kalala. And I'm very, very happy sa progress ng skin ko from before and after. So that is it for my NatureSC Propolis Honey Ampoule Light, also known as JK Propolis review. Everything is linked in the description box, so if you're interested, please do check them out. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you have tried JK Propolis at ano ang naging effect nito sa skin nyo. And as usual, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified on my next upload. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!